All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited about today's video. So today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol CVLG, that's Covenant Logistics Group. All right, they had earnings and they had a big drop off today with earnings down over 20%, as you can see here. When things like this happen, I like to put them on my watch list. I like to chart some immediate support and resistance levels I like and I see, and I like to set some alerts. Okay. Let me show you. Actually, I'm going to do all this right here in front of you guys. Put another support right here. All right, and I'm going to say that basically from here to here, I think would be our buy zone. Okay, I think that um, given the stock's price action and looking at the chart, I think that if you get into some long positions in these areas, that it's a good potential basically for a long-term hold to ride the momentum back up. Okay, overall, we're typically bullish on the stock market. I am uh, in particular. So when things happen like this, that's a discount. Okay, that's what we call a sale. We like those. All right. So as you can see here, this would be my buy zone basically for some shares right in here. Okay, so for some shares, or you can get some leap contracts. Okay, this definitely still can fall more. Okay, as you can see here, it fell below basically like this support level on the RSI. It's not oversold. It's not overbought. The according to the RSI, we're basically right in the middle right now, on the lower half for sure, but it's still sitting right in the middle. So we could see this start to fall off some more, and if we do, I think it'll be really interesting. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys paying attention to CVLG? Do you think that this one is just going to keep dropping, or do you think that I mean, look at it overall. Okay, earlier in the year had lows of 13, highs of 34 recently until today when we tanked. So, um, logistics is a very hot sector right now. It's a very hot sector for sure. There's a lot of supply chain issues going around, and logistics companies, if they have, if they're able to handle the capacity, they're making a lot of money right now. So, I got this one charted up. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think CVLG is a good buy right now? Are you going all in? Are you going to start dabbling, dollar cost averaging, or are you just saying, no, F this, I'm leaving CVLG alone? Look at that disgusting red big candle. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe.